DNA microarray. Microarray technology evolved from southern blotting, where fragmented DNA is attached to a substrate and then probed with a known DNA sequence, which is called as oligonucleotide. There are several synonyms of DNA microarray. Those they are called as DNA chip, gene chips, DNA arrays, gene arrays, or biochips. So these are all synonyms to the DNA microarray or the microarrays. What is the principle of DNA microarray? The principle of DNA microarray lies behind the hybridization between the nucleotides. So the actual principle is that there is a hybridization between the nucleotide sequences. Presence of, with the help of microarray or with the help of DNA microarray, we can check the presence of genomic sequence or the cDNA sequence even up to 1000 nucleotides or more sequences. So out of, if we let's say have more than 100,000 sequences, out of all these sequences, we can identify a single sequence with the help of DNA microarray. DNA microarray allows us to analyze thousands of genes in one experiment. In case of genetic linkage analysis studies or association studies, we usually focus on single gene, but with the help of DNA microarray, we can study thousands of genes simultaneously. DNA microarrays, they are actually solid spores or glass or silicon upon which the DNA is attached. There can be simultaneously many studies about many genes with the help of DNA microarray, in which pattern or cluster of genes are more informative regarding total cellular function than looking at one or two genes. Mean we can figure out the pathways of the genes, how genes they interact with each other. With the help of DNA microarray, we can identify those interactions of the genes and the pathways of the genes, that how they interact with each other. Why there is a need of DNA microarray? Just sequencing the genome is not sufficient. So thousands of genes remain without any assigned functions. So with the help of DNA microarrays, we can identify the functions of those genes. In case of DNA microarray, each spot of DNA, which is usually called as probe, presents to a single gene. What are the different uses of the DNA microarrays? Determine which genes are active in a cell and at what level. So with the help of DNA microarray, we can check or we can identify the functions of the genes at different level of the development. We can compare the gene expression profiles of the control versus the treated samples. We can assess the gene expression level within the cells. Genome-wide association studies and genotypings now can be performed with the help of DNA microarray. Evaluating the microRNA levels also possible with the help of microarray. Determine which genes have biological significance in a system is also performed with the help of DNA microarray. Discovery of new genes, pathways, and cellular trafficking is also possible now by using DNA microarray.